Hi, I'm Chloe with Cricut, and with Mother's Day quickly approaching, I wanted to make a Mother's Day gift that I know that my mom will love. So I took inspiration from birth month flowers, and there is a little flower along with my sibling's name on it that corresponds to when we were born, with the words Mom's Garden, because we're all my mom's kids. So for this project, we're gonna need a Cricut machine. I have the Joy Extra right here, a weeding tool, some scissors, a trimmer if you want, some smart iron-on in your color of choice. I chose black, an Easy Press Mini, and a fun little frame like this. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have my smart iron-on right here, and I'm just gonna load that into my machine. The only thing you wanna make sure you do is put the shiny side down. So now that it's done cutting, I'm just going to trim off the excess material using my trimmer. So I've weeded most of my design here, so I just have the last little bit that I need to do, and then we will be good to put it on our sign. And you'll notice that it's backwards, but that's okay because when we put it on the sign, then it will be right side out. So that's it, and then we'll just move on to placing it on our sign. So I finished placing my pieces where I want them on the sign, and then I've just taken my Easy Press Mini and put it to the second setting, and now we're just gonna press it for 40 seconds. So I just finished taking the backing off of this, and this is the final project. I love how it turned out, and I know my mom is going to love it too. If you make this for the mother figure in your life, I know they'll like it as well. So happy Mother's Day from Cricut, and happy making.